Hello everyone, I am Baijit. In this video, we will discuss how to clean the dataset. First we have to understand that what is data cleaning. Data cleaning means we have to identify and correct the errors, inconsistencies, and inaccuracies. The data should be more reliable and reusable for data analysis. So we have to see first we have this type of dataset in Excel. First, we have to observe the data set, what the data means to say. We have to understand that in this data set, we contain some ID column, name, age, gender, and some other columns. First, we have to write up the columns, selecting all, and you have to press like that. Press between the columns, so the columns between the wider. You can see that the data is filling with missing values like blanks. For we have to fill with the missing value in that empty spaces. For that we use Control G, go for special and select blanks, press OK. We have to understand that these are the empty spaces in the dataset. Select any one of them, press missing and press Control Enter. It applies all of the missing cells. We have to come for the first column ID. Let's sort them. Let's sort from smallest to largest. Okay, we have okay, the first column is over. In the second column, name, in this column we have to see that there is an @ symbol after the name, so we have to remove the @ symbol. For that, select the entire column, go for replace, find @ replace with just space, replace. It is over, and again we can see that there are also 1 2 3 after the name, so we have to remove that 1 2 3, replace. Okay, and again first we have to remove the duplicates. For that, select the entire table, go to data and remove duplicates. We have to select all the columns, my data status, and press OK. You can see that 250 duplicate values found and removed, and 5000 unique values are remain. Okay, in this age column you can see that they are entered manually characters, so we have to change them into the number form. Let's copy the text here, select the column, go to home section and replace again, paste here, press 25, replace all. Okay, it was over, and let's replace unknown with missing values. Again replace, wait a minute, let's do it again. Okay, let's check the bottom of the data. There are total 5000 rows in this dataset. In gender, we can see that some of them are F, some of them are female, and some other M and male, we have to change that into a single format like male or female. That's it. For that, we use an empty cell j column. Use a function if d2 is equal to f, replace with female. If not, replace d2. Select it, copy it, paste values here, and remove this column. Again, use if d2 is equal to m, replace with male. You can see that the data is in the D column under the data is changed to a male or female or other. Some of the data is missing values, some are unknown values. Okay, finally the gender column also clean. The example column is always clean. So we have to fill the unknown values with missing values. Select the column and go with replace section. Unknown, missing, replace. Same how will apply to the D column gender also. Replace, missing, done. In this section, in this each column, all the email data are some sample data. It is not the correct data. So leave this E column. Let's go to the F column. You can see that there are the data are not in the right format. For this, we use in this F column. We can see that there are some upper cases and lower cases, but not in the specific format. For that, we use a function called proper case. Let's copy, paste values here, and remove that column. We have to replace that where LA means Los Angeles. Select that column. Go with replace section. LA means Los Angeles. And also SF means San Francisco. Am I right? San Francisco. I hope the data was clean in the F column. Yeah, and the remaining data was clean. In the G column, you can see that there is a lot of missing data, missing and not in the right format. We have to change the format. We have to change the G column because in this G column the data was not consistent. It was inconsistent and changing every time. So in this G column, we have to keep the date format same and standard for everything. You can see that the most of the data are some of the data is filled as side slashes or bars. So we have to replace them. For that, select the G column, go to replace. We have to give this one instead of to refill this. Replace, done. We have to change as March 5th, 2022, 2020, March. March is the right. Wait, there is a comma here. What? March 2020. Let's do it again. Selecting the G column, replace March 2020 as yes, replace all. Done. Okay. You can see that some of the data was standard format and we have to change the details. Again, we have to select the G column, replace all. Okay, done. But still you can see there are some of the changes in the data format. For that we use select the entire column, right click, format cells, keeping this format. Okay, some of the data was changed. In this income column you can see that the data, you can see that there is a light green color ribbon is there in the cell. It means the data is stored in the text format. For that we use number value, wait a minute. Okay, copy, paste values, income, right? Okay, delete this row, copy this value, listen, done. For that we have to check that the cities is in all are in US. For that we have to give a dollar symbol. Yeah, last and final column, NY You have to replace that n means no. Wait, let me give you a formula. If I2, right, I2 is equal to n, replace with no, replace with I2. Enough. Copy, paste values, delete. Apply the same formula here. If it is y, yes. Autofill, select, paste values here, and delete the column and check the data was filled or not exactly. Okay, let's replace small into leave it. The data is fine. Finally, you can see that the data was cleaned the data. So in this way, we can clean the dataset before making to analyze the dataset or to visualize the data. Okay, thank you.